Okay, I don't think my whole head can fit in the camera. Can you do it like this? Okay, that's fine. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my room transformation. So my room isn't finished yet, but I did record like me building everything. I'll be doing a separate actual like in-depth room tour video pretty soon, well, in a little while. I hope you all are staying safe and taking care of yourselves during this quarantine. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. These first couple of clips are just what my room looked like before I started really doing anything to it. Yeah, so right here, this is where me and my mom, we painted my room light gray. The color that I picked was the third one from the left. So yeah, it turned out really nice. You can't really see it in this lighting though, so you'll be able to see it better in the later clips. In this clip, I am building a storage cube thingy from Target. It's from the brand Threshold. I really like it. I was scared that it was going to be too big for the wall, like too long, because I wanted to put a mirror right next to it, but it actually fit perfect, so I was really happy with that. So this is what it looked like after. This was my room right before we started moving the furniture out. I gave my furniture to my little brother, so we just moved it into, well, they just moved it into his room. This is what my empty room looks like. It's actually, it was crazy seeing it that empty. So these next few clips are just me putting the bed frame together. I got the bed frame from Amazon. I have it linked down below, and it was pretty easy to put together. So this was the really hard part. I got a mattress, a new mattress from Lowell, and I had to take it out of the box. It was really heavy, first of all. It was very heavy. I had to take it out of the box and like cut the plastic off and unroll it. And then I ended up having to flip it. It was just a lot. But I got it done, so it's fine. The mattress itself is really comfortable. I really like it. And in this clip, I am putting together a storage drawer unit from Michaels. This is just what I planned on putting like my makeup in and my hair stuff. And so for my vanity, I just went to Lowe's. I got a tabletop thing cut, 6 feet long. That's all I can tell you. Like, I don't know anything else about it. This next clip is just me obviously making my bed. My camera died during this part of the video, so it's just gonna cut off randomly. I got a mirror from IKEA. This is the Hove, I don't know how you pronounce it. It's that mirror from IKEA. It's huge. It's like 7 feet tall. That's exactly what I wanted, and it fit perfectly right next to the storage cube. Eventually I'm gonna do like an in-depth room tour video once I finish decorating and all that stuff, because I'm not really done yet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I hope you guys stay safe and take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in my next video.